Case of Go You versus You, GR number 230443, April 3, 2019. Christine Go You filed a petition for declaration of nullity of marriage against Romeo A.U. The petitioner claimed a decrease in their sexual activity and inability to conceive, the adjustments she had to make, and their growing apart as husband and wife. She also claimed about the circumstances and the challenges that they, as spouses, experience, and that she was diagnosed with narcissistic personality disorder. The respondent denied all these material allegations. The trial court rendered that the petitioner is psychologically incapacitated, in which the CA reversed the decision. The CA held that the evidence presented by petitioner through the psychological report and all supporting testimonial evidence failed to establish any proof of a natal or supervening disabling factor that effectively incapacitated her from complying with her essential marital obligations. Aggrieved, the petitioner filed a petition to the Supreme Court. The issue now here is whether or not the Court of Appeals erred in deciding that the evidences presented were insufficient to constitute psychological incapacity. It was ruled that no, because time and again it was held that psychological incapacity has been intended by law to be confined to the most serious cases of personality disorders, clearly demonstrative of an utter insensitivity or inability to give meaning and significance to the marriage. Moreover, psychological incapacity must be characterized by gravity, juridical antecedents, and incurability. The Constitution mandates that to protect and strengthen the family, and that marriage as an inviolable social institution protected by the state cannot be dissolved at the whim of the parties.